Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Pritha. Please take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. So guys, today's video is about a big announcement. If you follow me on Instagram, you will probably know about it. And if you don't, please follow me now on pritha.soni. So guys, the big announcement is that I have started a small business of mine called Ecstasy by Pritha. Basically, my business is about selling homemade, handmade chocolates and treats. If you're in Nottingham, you can order it because I've just started it really small and just around Nottingham. So finally everything is ready. I'm getting orders regularly and touch wood. And also my Instagram is full set. So guys, if you want to follow and order, please go to ecstasy_Nottingham. The link will be in the description below anyway. This is the first business I've ever started and I'll tell you how I planned it through. I designed everything on my own, the Instagram account, the logo, the menu, the pricing. I'm going to show you how I pack my orders. Okay, so we are going to make one order today and you are going to watch with me. Okay, so before we start making the order and the chocolates, we have to be very hygienic. So I'll go and tie my hair, wear a mask. So the order is for hot chocolate bombs and cookies. So today in the video we're going to make hot chocolate bombs, and these are all the ingredients that we need, and this is all the packaging. I'll show you how that's done as well. So first we need some sanitizer and some gloves. I like to just be on the move every time. I don't like sitting and doing like nothing. So that's why one of the major reasons is I like it. Even if, like, you know, it's not a huge business as at this moment, I like, you know, at times like orders come and I make it personally, so I like that thing. We will have to melt the cooking chocolate. Okay, so let's do that. I usually just put it in the microwave, but people also do it, you know, in the gas. So one slab of chocolate, let's put this. If we need more, we'll do it. So till the chocolate is melting, we will make the cardboard box. We will keep this aside. The hot chocolate ball is hollow from inside, so we are just going to outline it with chocolate. See, as you can see here, I'm just going to put the corners. We're going to put it in the refrigerator and let it cool down. If you see the corners and it's really thin, then you can give an extra layer to it. Okay, I'll also use the birthday mold and make a complimentary chocolate, okay, for them. The heart molds are out. We will put hot chocolate powder, some marshmallow, and then join two molds and make it a perfect heart. Okay guys, now we'll take it out. So all you gotta do is push it. The final chocolate bomb is ready. It looks like this. Chocolate bombs are really delicate, so we have to be careful. First, we will put some confetti, spread it around, packaging inside it. I'll leave one of my business cards in it, a thank you card written with the things in it, and special message if someone else is sending it. I'll put my ecstasy sticker. We're going to put this in the middle. So guys, this is how the packaging looks. This is the hot chocolate bombs and the cookies with the packaging, and now it's time for it to get delivered. So if I have to make an ad for Ecstasy, so it'll be like this: Ecstasy Nottingham. क्या आपको मीठा पसंद है? क्या आपके खाने में रात को एक मीठा है? नहीं है तो कॉल कीजिए एक्सटेसी नॉटिंघम को। इसी बात पे सब्सक्राइब